or we've attached a gCADPlus plant database file to this drawing. It's a GCP file called New Jersey. We can look at it by gCADPlus, plant schedules, and edit it, or in this case go down here to broadscale planting, because that's what I'm going to use, and I'll edit that plant list. So here's the list. It's not an overly long list, got some 30 individual species, and symbols such as this one here have been tagged but not yet labeled. So this is the Roseanne geranium, and what we're going to do is use broad scale planting, labeling a group of symbols. I'm going to hit enter to set the text position. So we select it, and it's Grevillea Roseanne. I can see it here, but I could search for it. So, sorry, not Grevillea Roseanne, geranium Roseanne. And if you look down here in the command area, we're asked to make a decision. Is it going to be multi or single stem? Or the default is multi, and we'll pick, and you may notice that a line has been drawn between each of these, and I've finished that group of labels, and I'm asked to insert a point and then the text type. This is a US version, so if we wanted to change that, we could go 0.7, and this will put in a smaller piece of text than we have over here. But I can use this one nicely to illustrate the other way of using a single tag. Let's unselect all, and we'll run the link label again, and the geranium we selected again. Pick this one here, and we're going to go S for single. Select the symbol, and we're done. Label the text. It's picked up, can you see it's picked up the center, and we'll come over here and we'll leave it at 0.7 and just scroll out a little. The text, of course, can be easily moved like so. So that's trying to demonstrate the two methods of using the broad scale labeling technique. Of course, you can do it in what a lot of people call the standard way, and we've got a more comprehensive list here, and we can use the smart label tool and label in a somewhat similar way, but the choice is yours.